Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to factory reset Schlage Encode, reset Wi-Fi codes and app pairing. Step 1. Master Factory Reset FDR. A manual reset removes all custom access codes and Wi-Fi networks and restores the default factory settings. So before you begin, find the white sticker located on the back of the lock interior assembly or inside your user manual. And you will need the 6-digit programming code and the default user codes A and B. Then remove the battery cover on the inside of your door and press and hold the black circular reset button located to the right of the thumb turn. The LED will begin flashing red. Continue holding the button until the red flashing stops and the LED turns solid blue. This may take anywhere up to 10 seconds. And once the light is solid blue, the reset is complete. Open your door slightly and press the outside Schlage button and enter one of the default user codes. The lock will automatically perform a setup routine to determine how it is mounted on the door. Step 2. Reset app pairing and Wi-Fi. If your lock is having connection issues but you want to keep your current user codes, you do not need to do a full factory reset. First, via the app. Open the Schlage Home app, then tap the settings icon present at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Delete Lock. Once deleted, the lock will reset itself and can be repaired using the on-screen prompts. Via Wi-Fi reconfiguration. If you only want to change the Wi-Fi network, go into your smartphone's Wi-Fi settings and temporarily forget both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network. Then reconnect your phone only to your 2.4 GHz network. And then open the Schlage Home app and follow the steps to update the lock's network in the device settings. Step 3. App Pairing Setup. Once the lock is reset, you can repair it to your phone. Download and open the Schlage Home app. Then press the black button on the inside of your lock to put it into the pairing mode. The inside LED will flash a slow, continuous blue light. Once done, follow the on-screen instructions in the app to pair your lock to your Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.